Welcome to another product walkthrough video of RightsWatch. In this case, we will be drafting and setting up a new policy rule on the management area of RightsWatch. And we will say that this rule, let's call it forecast, we will say that it will apply a specific classification to a new email message. Let's choose internal, for example, if any of these conditions are true. And if any of these conditions that we will now define, which could be if in the subject contains the word forecast, for example, we will display an alert when the rule is triggered. But we will allow the user to change that specific automatic classification, but we will ask the user to sign a disclaimer that he acknowledges that that rule is being overrun by him. Um, so the executive summary: if the subject contains forecast, display an alert when the rule is applied, allow the user to change the classification, and ask for um, disclaimer to be signed. So the user can go to the RightsWatch tab and see that the policy rule forecast is applied to him. When he drafts a new email message, the send button is disabled, as you see, until a specific classification, security classification of this email message is chosen. We are adding this financial forecast, and as soon as I write financial forecast and the specific word forecast in the subject line, RightsWatch will automatically pick it up. It will enforce this internal classification only. I will allow the user to change, so I will change to confidential. Watch what happens to the send button, and the disclaimer is being presented to me. I say yes. Now I'm able to send this email message, and you will see now if I click on the sent items that some elements were added to this email message. So on the subject line, and a specific header was added to this email message.